Today we are in Sayaji Bagh Garden. Here is Kavita ma'am. She will coming from the main gate of the garden.
Hello children, we are going today to visit zoo. Yes, you will see different animals.
Yes. Okay, let's go to the zoo.
See children, here is a rose garden. You can see roses, different color roses. White, red, pink. Yes children, see.
In this way we will go to the zoo.
Yes, this is the way.
Oh, very nice. Let's run.
We have to walk. Yes children, you have to walk.
No running? Yes ma'am.
No, you will not run.
Yes
You
ma'am.
have to walk and you will go near the cage where the animals are there. See children, this is the board. What it is written? Kachro kachra peti mein nakho. Whenever we visit to zoo or any park or garden, you will not throw dust on the way in the garden or on the way. You will throw dust in the dustbin. Yes?
Yes ma'am. We can't throw the garbages here and there. There is some rules in the garden. You have to follow these rules.
અને કચરો કાયમ કચરા પેટીમાં જ નાખવાનો. જે ડસ્ટબિન હોય એમાં જ કચરો નાખવાનો. Okay children?
Yeah ma'am. We must be follow the rules.
Yes.
Now we are near museum gate. Look at here children. This is the gate of museum. But today we will visit zoo only. So we will go to the main gate of zoo. Yeah, we have reached. Look children, this is the ticket window. From here we will collect the ticket and we'll enter to the zoo.
Children, when we enter in the zoo, we can see a play area. Here, see how many rides are there. Children, when you will come to school, we will come to zoo and you can play here.
Now see children, this is the entry. See here it is. Entry, and we have to show ticket to the watchman uncle. Then only you will go inside. And this side, this is exit. See children, this side it is exit. When you visit zoo, when you come back, you will come back from here.
This way. Oh,
This way.
very nice. So
We are going inside. Inside the zoo, you will see animals, children.
from here, yeah ma'am.
See children, there is rabbit. In the cage, there is rabbit.
Wow, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. This is the cage of rabbits. There are so many rabbits. Do you know? Rabbits are white and brown in both color. They are playing in their cage. Rabbit has 2 ears. Look them. They are playing and eating their food in this cage. This is rabbit cage. Rabbit is pet animal. Now look children, here is Jyoti ma'am. Jyoti ma'am will say something. Jyoti ma'am.
Now children, we will go to see lion and tiger house. Let's come.
Yay, Kavita ma'am. Say hi. In this way we will go in tiger section and lion section.
Yes.
Oh, so nice. This road is so beautiful. Look children, there is a bridge. Look children, this is the cage of tiger. Tiger is roaming in its cage.
And children, see, tiger is also doing morning walk.
Yeah. Look children. Tiger is our national animal and tiger tiger is also wild animal. The color of tiger is yellow and black strip. It has 4 legs, 1 tail,
Sharp teeth.
and sharp teeth. The sound of tiger is
Tiger also roars. Roar.
ooh, and the baby tiger is called
Cub.
yeah. Look,
And Mama Tiger is called Tigress. And Papa Tiger is Tiger. And Mama Tiger, Tigress.
look children, we are now in the cage of leopard. Look, here is the board about the leopard. You can see the picture also in this board. Jyoti ma'am, tell us something about leopard.
So children, it is leopard, and leopard has patches on their body, and leopard run very fast. Now come, I will show you leopard. See, leopard is also roaming in the cage.
It is leopard and it has also 4 legs and it is a wild animal. Look,
Children, it can jump also.
ooh,
Yes. So,
it
leopard,
jumps so long and high.
leopard, lion, all are wild animals. So, they are flesh-eating animals. Yes, children. Every day they eat flesh.
Flesh of other animals.
Other animals.
Children, now we will going to see lion. This is Asiatic lion. You want to see lion, children? See, lion is roaring. Come on fast, we will going to see.
See, children, listen it carefully. It's roaring. Listen the sound. Children, listen the sound.
Ooh, wow! Look, the king of the jungle is sitting here. And look at
His face.
See on his face, mane. Yes, 2 eyes, 1 tail, 4 legs. Lioness, mama lion. Yes.
in
See,
the outer side of the cage it was lion and inner side it is lioness.
Lioness.
Look children, which animal is this? Can you see? Yes, it is hippo. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus lives in water and land also. It has 4 legs and it has very huge body.
Ooh,
See,
See, one more children. Nahi,
Yes ma'am.
one more.
there are 2 hippos.
hippos.
See,
Woo.
they both are playing children. See how they are playing.
And their mouth is so big and teeth. Woo.
Wow, see.
Woo.
Children, both the hippos are playing game in out, in out. They are going in the water and then again coming out. In out, in out.
Wow. One is in and one is out. Now both are under the water. Hippos lives in water and land in both area. Look children, they are now in water.
Children, see which animal is this? Yes, this is turtle. See how many turtles are there? Children, turtles lives in the water. See how one turtle is swimming in the water?
See children, this is pelican. See the beak. Long and sharp beak. See, it is drinking water with its beak. 2 wings and 2 legs. And see here,
There is black-headed ibis. Black-headed ibis and pelican are living together in one cage. Look. They are walking.